Welcome to our tutorial on how to link Instagram account to TikTok account after latest update. Hello everyone, I am Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have updated your TikTok app to its latest version. Now open your TikTok. Make sure you have already logged into your TikTok account. You're gonna land to the For You page. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards this option of profile given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, here you're gonna see this option of edit profile. Tap on it. Now here you can see this option of social. Under social section, you can find the option of Instagram. Tap on it. You will land to this kind of page. Now to link your Instagram with TikTok, you have to log into your Instagram account. So type in the credentials associated with your Instagram account. After you are done, tap on login. Tap on allow. Tap on allow again. And now your Instagram is connected to your TikTok account. Go back. And now in your profile, you can see this Instagram kind of icon. Whoever will tap on this Instagram kind of icon, it will lead to the Instagram account of yours. So this is how you can easily link your Instagram account to the TikTok account after latest update. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.